Alright, so we just landed in Vero Beach, Florida. We're going to get a top off here at Corporate Air Center. And then we'll go ahead to our next destination, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Hope you enjoy our flight.
Vero Beach, airport information, India time 1753 Zulu, wind 3007, visibility 10.
Correct.
Alright, we got India. Pick up our flight plan now.
November 890 Romeo Sierra, Vero Beach, shower runway 4, clear to land, winds are 0105.
And Vero Beach clearance, good morning. TBM 910 Delta Hotel with information India. Like to pick up our IFR, please, to Hotel Delta Charlie.
November 3 Papa, runway 4, taxi via Charlie Alpha. TBM 910 Delta Hotel, Vero Beach ground, you're clear to your destination as filed. On departure, maintain 2000. Expect flight level 220, 10 minutes after. Departure frequency 123.62, squawk 3633.
Alright, TBM 910 Delta Hotel is cleared as filed. On departure, maintain 2000. Expect 220, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is 123.625, squawking 3633.
Clear 0 Delta Hotel, read back correct.
Alright, so they gave us our flight plan is filed, so we can send this over here to the Garmin via the Flight Street 510. We've sent that. Alright, we've activated that flight plan, FOB sync, and FMS landing field elevation, perfect. Alright, let's get our start going. So ITT's hot, because it's a quick flip, 244 degrees Celsius, so we put our timer on here, start our timer, auxiliary drift pump to on, and we gotta start going. We're gonna let the ITT drop below 165. I like to go to 145 before we introduce fuel. There it is, 165, 155, 145 is coming, so we introduce fuel. We're at 22 seconds. And we gotta make sure our engine's at 30 before 35, so we got 28, 29, 30 seconds.
560 Hotel Sierra, Vero Beach, ground, it's a full route clearance, advising to copy.
Fantastic. Looking good, so we'll stop our timer.
0 Hotel Sierra, you're cleared to Dulles via radar vectors, one-way. Oscar November, Echo Whiskey Yankee. Oscar Echo White, Oscar November. Quebec 87. Julia, Romeo, Oscar Sierra. Florence. Jerry 207. Raleigh Durham. Beta, November, Alpha. It's Soaring. It's Delta Oscar Romeo November from the Cavalier 4 arrival. On departure, we have 2000. Expect flight level 710 after. Departure frequency 123.62, squawk 7167.
Contact Forkers Tower.
Over tower, visual for 28 left, 10 up.
74 Charlie, July feet, 170 knots, turn left direct 4 Pierce, this will maintain 3,000.
3,000 knots, exceed 170 knots, 74 Charlie.
45269, contact line center 132.25.
13225, 45269, good day.
King Air 11 Mike, left heading 120.
Alright, we're ready to go. We're number 1.
Palm Beach, Malibu 143, Papa 2000.
East 11 Papa, left 040, cleared visual approach runway 30 at Stewart, contact Stewart Tower. 39 Juliet, Palm Beach, expect the visual approach runway 28 left and 4 Pierce.
Alright, 85 knots, we rotate.
Palm Beach approach, Malibu 143, Papa 2000.
Landing gears coming up.
143,
Flight level change, yaw damper on, heading, and we go to 120 knots, climb.
Falcon 501 over heading 220, vectors for the visual, descend and maintain 2,000.
220 down to 2,000.
109 knots.
We're 64 kilo, climb, maintain VFR above 2,500 for now, fly heading 090, quick vector for
That's
the sequence.
115, there we go. We'll bring our
2,500 VFR heading 090, 564 kilo.
Beast 71 Papa, if I missed it, contact Stewart Tower, good day.
Alright, inertial separator off.
Beast, correction that, King Air, 1 Mike, reduce speed to 170.
Block.
King Air, 1 Mike, reduce speed to 170.
Back to 170 now, 1 Mike.
And Palm Beach, TBM 910 Delta Hotel, climbing to 2,000 through 1,200.
TBM 910 Delta Hotel, Palm Beach, Metro, radar contact, turn left, heading 330.
Left 330 for 910 Delta Hotel.
Station 39 Delta Juliet 5000.
November 39 Delta Juliet, Palm Beach, approach, expect the visual approach runway 28 left into 4 Pierce, reduce speed to 210.
210, expect visual 28 left, 39 Delta Juliet.
Falcon 01 November, south heading 160 in the turn, 0 Beach is 9 o'clock and 6 miles.
Turn 160, airport in sight, Falcon 501 November.
Falcon 01 November, cleared visual approach runway 4, contact 0 Beach Tower, good day.
Or Tower 01 November, good day.
November 910 Delta, contain 5,000, so left heading 280.
Alright, 5,000 for 910 with Delta Hotel. What's the rest of that?
Contain 5,000, so left heading 280 for TBM 0 Delta Hotel.
5,000 and heading 280 for 910 Delta Hotel.
November, King Air 1 Mike, to running 210.
210 and heading 1 Mike.
November 67 Charlie Charlie, Palm Beach approach, check in.
No, I was waiting on 5,000 for 7 Charlie Charlie with November.
7 Charlie Charlie, Roger, turn right, heading 090, expect the visual approach runway 30 at Stewart.
090 for the visual 307 Charlie Charlie.
Station 9 Delta Juliet, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, 39 Delta Juliet.
Blue 274 Charlie, 4 Pierce, 12 o'clock and 10 miles.
4 Pierce in sight, 74 Charlie.
Number 274 Charlie, cleared visual approach, runway 28 left, contact 4 Pierce
So
Tower.
we've got a clean configured plane, so I can turn the autopilot on now. Autopilot's on.
Fort Pierce, departure,
so now we just mounted for the torque. Keep it 100%, inertial separators off.
For 2,000, runway 80.
Number 143, Papa turn, left heading 280.
3 Papa, left 280.
So we're in IMC conditions at flight level 300, so we're turning on our radar here just to see where we're at. We got it tilted at 1.75 degrees up, and you can see there's nothing here on the radar. So it's just IMC outside, but there's actually nothing out there.
217, 9 Delta Sierra, great day.
So we're going west this time of year, and you can see that we have a strong headwind here of 93 knots in the nose.
Check center, Bonanza
So
603, Juliet Hotel 2.
knot headwind, 26 knot crossing gives us a net 94 knots.
Contact Miami
And then, of
Center
course, that
133.9er, good day.
Affects our airspeed. Our airspeed is 224 knots ground, 312 knots true airspeed,
136, 38 or 40.
indicated of 185 knots. So we typically
ground speed greater than 300 knots, but today we're doing 224 knots because of that strong headwind. I love this when you just pop right through the soup like this. You go right into it, looks like cotton, and then pop right out underneath. It's amazing. Sometimes it's light up here, sometimes it's dark down there because it's all covered. And this, that seems patchy. It won't happen like that, but look at that. Go right through it. Look at that. It's amazing. We drop out, and a minute and a second there, and we'll be right below it.
Current, kind of like Lakefront Tower, 118.95.
And see how it's darker down here? Isn't that amazing?
That's cool. Sun on that lake over there.
Station 777 Quebec Kilo, North Bridge. Expect to break lakefront once you're east of MSY. It'll be about another 6 miles.
I used to come to New Orleans a lot. Eat, drink, party. I had relatives here for a little while.
Nice.
Got wiped out. Right here at Lake Pontchartrain.
And approach 910 Delta Hotel. We have the airport in sight.
Number 0 Delta Hotel, Roger. Clear visual approach runway 31. Radar service terminated. Contact Cameron Tower 120.57.
All right, clear visual approach 131 and 120.57. 910 Delta Hotel. And tower, good afternoon, TBM 910 Delta Hotel.
TBM 910 Delta Hotel, Hammond Tower.
And we're entering a right base for runway 31, 910 Delta Hotel.
0 Delta Hotel, check was on runway 31, wind 310 at 4, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 31, 910 Delta Hotel.
Hotel, number 2, following TBM on a 5 miles modified straight in for runway 31.
We will be number 2, looking for the traffic, 88 Hotel.
Alright, we're 180 knots, landing gear's coming down, airport's right over here.
We have that traffic in sight, 88 Hotel.
500. On runway 31, wind 340 at 4, clear to land number 2.
Clear to land number 2. This is going to be a full stop, 88 Hotel. On 31.
.97 knots, 95 knots. We're set up here perfectly. The visual approach 31. Right, 90 knots, 89 knots, 88 knots, 7 knots, 86 knots, perfect, perfect, perfect. They go now. Alright, and we'll start pulling our car back, and we use trim to land. Put a rudder here. It will touch down nice and soft.
Airspeed.
Go, touchdown. Just coming up.
Delta Hotel, St. Park.
We're going Top Gun Aviation, 910 Delta Hotel.
0 Delta Hotel, go ahead and make that left on Echo and contact ground.
Left on Echo ground, 910 Delta Hotel. And ground TBM 910 Delta Hotel, clear the active runway 31, go to Top Gun Aviation, please. And ground TBM 910 Delta Hotel, clear the active runway, going to Top Gun Aviation, please.
TBM 910 Delta Hotel, Hammond ground, taxi via Alpha, hold 36.
And taxi via Alpha and hold short of, I'm sorry, can you say that again?
0 Delta Hotel, hold short of 36. Are you going to Top Gun East?
And hold short 36. Unfamiliar with this area, we're going to Top Gun wherever we can get fuel at.
Roger, hold short 36 and we'll get you over there.
Alright, hold short 36, 910 Delta Hotel.
TBM 0 Delta Hotel, cross 36 at Alpha, continue Bravo, hold short 31.
Alright, cross 36 on Alpha and continue hold short of 31, 910 Delta Hotel on Alpha. And so we're approaching 36 now. She said we can cross 36 on Alpha. And we'll do that. At left turn here. This is my first time at this airport. So we're clear. One of the great things about ForeFlight, it warns you when you're approaching a runway. And we're clear left, clear right. We're going to hold short 3-1 coming up ahead, she said.
Hammond ground, Warrior 1288 Hotel, holding short on Alpha 3.
And there's our
taxi to Hammond ground.
crew waiting for us.
Fly by night.
We did send a fuel order ahead of time in, so they are expecting us.
Taxi via Alpha 1288 Hotel.
And Hammond ground, Seneca 827 Alpha Delta. Same in pattern with hotel ready to taxi from fly by night.
Seneca 827 Alpha Delta.
There's surrender off.
Runway 31, taxi via Alpha, hold short 36.
AC's off.
3-1 via Alpha.
Power back. We wait until we get to
10-7 Alpha Delta, just use caution for 88 hotel taxiing and departing.
Alright, let's check our hops time. Our hour meter 880.7. So we will log that here.